Former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldi Co further linked President Bongbong Marcos and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez to alleged budget insertions in the proposed 2025 national budget. Here is a report.
In the second part of his video statement, former Congressman Zaldi Co insisted that he did not receive any money from the alleged 100 billion peso insertion in the 2025 national budget. Co claimed that only President Bongbong Marcos and former House Speaker Martin Romualdez benefited from the funds.
Wala pong perang napunta sa akin. Lahat po ng insertion napunta sa ating Pangulo at Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ako lang at ang aking mga tao, sila Paul Estrada, Mark Tiksay, at ang aking mga security ang nag-deliver papunta sa bahay nila Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at Speaker Martin Romualdez sa North Forbes Park, South Forbes Park hanggang sa Malacanang.
He added that Marcos' share from the insertions amounted to 25% or about 25 billion pesos.
After po ng approval ng budget sa General Appropriations Act of 2025, nagtanong po ako sa DPWH kung magkano ang kailangan na ibigay sa Office of the President o ang SOP na bigayan. Ang sinagot sa akin ay 25%. In total, 25 billion ang napunta kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos.
The former congressman urged both the Senate and the Office of the Ombudsman to thoroughly investigate the alleged budget insertion and substantiate his claims.
Kaya ngayon ay hinahamon ko si Ombudsman Remulla kung seryoso talaga siya sa mga sinasabi niya sa kanyang press release na idadamay niya pati si Martin Romualdez kung magbibigay ako ng ebidensya. Imbestigahan din niya si President Bongbong Marcos.
In the third part of the video, Co further alleged that Romualdez threatened to kill him if he talked during a meeting in March 2025.
March 2025 pa lang, si Speaker ay nagpaparinig na sa akin sa aming meeting that he will shoot me if I will talk. At pagkatapos niyang sabihin sa akin in a phone call na, "Don't come home, we will take care of you," tumawag ulit si Speaker Martin at sinabihan niya ako na pag umuwi ako will be dangerous. Kasi they might hire someone to do a rob out on me or hire the police to kill me while in jail.
He also claimed that President Marcos and Romualdez received 56 billion pesos from flood control projects.
Ang sinasabi nilang halaga sa ICI ay 21 billion. Hindi po totoo yan. Ang totoong numero ay 56 billion pesos. At yung pong halaga na yan ay kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at Martin Romualdez na punta lahat. Ilalabas ko po ang buong detalye sa darating na mga araw. Kaunting pasensya pa po. Sana po ay hindi nila ako mapatay bago ko mailabas ang lahat.
President Marcos shrugged off the allegations, saying he does not want to dignify the claims. Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro dismissed Co's promise expose as a comedy series.
Dahil lumiliit na ang mundo ni Zaldi Co, kailangan niyang umiwas at iiwas ang sarili at mag-name drop kahit walang katibayan at laway lang ang puhunan.
She emphasized that it was the president who initiated investigations into alleged anomalies, which have already uncovered several irregularities. Romualdez, for his part, maintained that his conscience is clear regarding the allegations. For News 5, I'm Marian Enriquez. We are One News.